Find or read reviews that people are talking about KOPIDOE Pillow Speaker for sleeping. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features. 2 usage modes. The Sleep Bar Pillow Speaker not only supports Bluetooth connection, it can also play music with a TF card, not included, allowing you to enjoy music anywhere without a phone. Enjoy private space. When using the Bluetooth pillow speaker, other members around you will not hear the sound, creating a private and peaceful environment that gives better sleep quality for all ages. Excellent service time. Pillow speaker for sleeping built-in advanced rechargeable lithium battery, which can work more than 20 hours and 2 hours charging time only. Wireless pillow speaker feature Bluetooth 5.0 version with quality chip, ensure stable clear sound. A timing function design. Pillow speaker features a timing function, just double-click the power button, and it will automatically shut down after 30/60 minutes, bringing you a peaceful night's sleep and saving electricity. Perfect for side sleepers. Portable sleep bar pillow speaker is gentle whispering sound, aids stress relief and helps fall asleep faster. The mini size and low volume design of Bluetooth pillow speaker is best for side sleepers. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.